Good morning, y'all. That was how to start up a Bluebird bus. Now, full disclosure, I'm not telling y'all to go out there to y'all schools and start up buses. It's just an educational video. This is my little full disclosure. Just in case my district is watching. Y'all don't go mess with buses. But anyway, let's get to it. We about to start by taking our left signal light, and it's just like in the car. Click it down, make sure it's working on the dashboard, and then we ask to get out and walk. Make sure that our headlights is working. Make sure the warning lights are working. Signal light on the hood is working. The front signal light is working. The rear of the bus signal light is working. But the side. All your clearance / warning lights are working. Your rear or back signal light is working. Your license plate tag lights are working. And then we go back in the bus. Look at her. She leaves so early trying to beat me every morning. But I still end up getting here first. Now we test our white signal light. We'll start on the right side of the bus. It's the same thing. White headlight working, signal light working. Go walk down the side of the bus. Your clearance lights are working. Your side signal light is working. Make sure all your clearance lights are working. Ain't cracked. Make sure the rear is working. Alright. Now we get back on the bus. And really folks, the only thing you gotta do is just test your four-way. If your four-way working, all your lights working. But I still like to do the whole pre-trip. And these are your emergency lights. Make sure they working on the dashboard. We turn on our amber lights. There we go. You hit it once for up, just activate your amber lights. And you should have a yellow indicator on your panel. And now we check it right here. Do the eagle eyes. Both sides are working. Then we walk back here. Oh, I forgot. It might not be on the pre-trip, but I make sure my bus emergency exit doors are working. That one working, and that one working. Alright. Make sure our latch is secure. They ain't loose. And we make sure the emergency. Yep. Catch this one also. You don't got to, but I do it. Okay, you never know we're gonna have a mercy. Now, this is how you open the door. This button right here. And then you activate the stop sign. It should be a red light right under the yellow light. Oh shoot, I gotta get going. Y'all gotta make this quick. You walk around the bus, stop on, working, four-way flasher, red indicator lights, stop sign. I ain't know what that. Like, four-way flash in the back, red lights in the front. Your back indicator lights are working. One lights. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good morning. I got to get going.